Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain, guys, common mistakes people make that can actually destroy multiple components that can cost you even thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N20 engine. This is a 2.0 gasoline engine that has been used on BMWs 1 Series, 2 Series, 3, 4, 5 Series BMWs. It's been used on X1, X3, X4, X5 BMWs, guys. Multiple BMW models. This is one of the most popular engines. We will explain how to replace Serpentine belt. Common mistakes people make that can actually destroy, guys, multiple components, and you may end up spending hundreds, not even in some cases thousands of dollars to fix that damage. So stay with us and we will explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And on this BMW 5 Series, we'll have even more, taking the engine apart, transmission, the whole body. We'll be taking the whole car apart. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So specifically, this is the N20 engine, guys. That's a 528 BMW, but if you have anything, okay, from 1 to 5 series and X1 to X5, practically it could use that engine. Depending on which engine, which BMW you have, the air filter duct here, the intake duct might be a little bit different. We removed ours, but that's the engine. You can see this is the N20 engine, and right here, if you look, guys, you will see that this is your crankshaft pulley. Here you have the AC compressor, alternator and tensioner pulley. That's the only components that we have, and you can see alternator, AC compressor. Our old belt, guys, okay, just snapped. That's the original BMW belt. You can see it just completely fell apart at 107,000 miles. Now it really depends on where you live. It's not flexible at all. It's really hard. It's cracked. Not so cracked, but it's really hard, not flexible. It feels like rubber. And check this thing now. It says inspect at 60,000 miles, replace at 90,000 miles. And ours, guys, okay, ours failed at 107,000 miles. So yeah, it did happen. It's really hot where we live, so that can affect it too. We don't have the belt on because ours broke, but we'll put this one on, show you how to install it, and then we'll show you how to remove it if you need help with that. Always use original, good quality belts, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a good price and quick shipping. Every time you replace the belt, it's recommended to replace the tensioner as well. That's #1 mistake people make. We'll have a video how to replace tensioner if you want to. So let's go ahead. We're going to get it on the crankshaft pulley, and we'll explain about another common mistake people often make. And here we'll try to get it, guys, okay, on the AC compressor first. Let us show you now. Here, 1 second, because okay, we get it on the crankshaft pulley, then we get it to the tensioner, goes on the alternator, and the last thing that we'll do, you can see that tensioner, when you start lifting it up, it will contract, and I'm going to at that point install it on the AC compressor. Okay, here we need to lift more up, okay, and somewhere, okay. Let me see, let's go now. I want to show you one common mistake people make. Okay, you can think that it's in, but it's not. That pulley right here, it's not good in. You need to make sure that it aligns. If you leave it like that, the belt can start falling apart. It can destroy the AC compressor pulley. It can destroy the front crankshaft seal as well. So make sure that everything aligns really good, perfect, and we let go. You can see, and the belt is perfect, just like that now. So all we have to do now, okay, if you need to remove it, you have the old belt, you want to remove it, you grab the 16mm again, you lift up, and then you just pull the belt out, and it comes out with no problems. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.